Students, now we will see question number 7 of exercise 9.1. So question number 7 is rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. So simplest form means you just have to do cancellation, you have to do the reduce form that we have seen in the introduction video also. So आपको reduce form करना है, आपको cancellation करना है, and whatever you will get that will be the simplest form. So let us see. First one is minus 8 upon 6. So this is the solution part of first one, minus 8 upon 6. So minus 8 upon 6 both is coming in the table of 2. तो 2 से cancellation हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है divide by 2. They have taken HCF, highest common factor of 8 and 6. So 8 और 6 दोनों किस टेबल में आता है? 2 के टेबल में आता है, राइट? So 2 से cancellation करेंगे. You don't have to write this, you don't have to show this division, you can do directly also by cancellation method. Okay, so directly you can do. So 2 how many is a 6? 2 3s are 6, and 2 how many is 8? 2 4s is 8, and minus was there, so minus 4. So first one's answer is minus 4 upon 3. This way you can do directly by cancellation method. Directly आप उसको cancellation कर सकते हो. Okay, so here we are dividing both by 2. We are dividing by 2. We are doing cancellation with the table of 2, and then the answer is minus 4 upon 3. Second one is 25 upon 45. Again 25 and 45 both are coming in which table? Both are coming in the table of 5. So we have to do the cancellation with 5. So 25 divide by 5 or 45 भी divide by 5 करेंगे. HCF of 25 and 45 is 5. So we will start with the table of 5 because both are coming in the table of 5. So 5 से आप cancellation करेंगे. So आप ये वाला मेथड अगर नहीं बताओगे, डायरेक्टली आप कैंसिलेशन करोगे तो भी चलेगा, वो भी राइट है. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट. दिस अल्टरनेट मेथड. So you can do whichever is easy and quick calculation you can do. So 25 upon 45. So we will start with the table of 5. So 5 how many is 25? 5 5s are, and here 5 9s are 45. So 5 upon 9. This is the simplest form or the reduced form. So second one's solution will be, we will divide both by 5. So after dividing or after cancellations, the answer will be 5 upon 9. Now we will see third one. Third one is minus 44 upon 72. So minus 44 upon 72. Again you can start cancellation with 2. You can start cancellation with 4. You can start cancellation with any number whichever possible. तो यहाँ पे आप 2 से भी start कर सकते हो, 4 से भी start कर सकते हो cancellation. दोनों 4 के टेबल में भी आएगा और 2 के टेबल में भी आएगा. So you can start whichever number you are comfortable. So let us see minus 44 upon 72. So here both cancellations it is done with the table of 4. So highest common factor दोनों किस टेबल में आएगा? तो उसका जो highest factor है that is 4. 44 and 72 का highest common factor 4 है. So we will do cancellations with 4. So here we need to do cancellation with 4. So 4 ones are 4, 5 6 7 3 left, and 2 38 means 4 8s are 32. Okay, 4 8s are 32. So 18 you will get. Okay, so here 3 was left and 8. So 4 18s is 72. Okay, so this way you will do cancellation or you can divide on the side and get the answer. So 4 से cancellation करेंगे, so ये आपका आ जाएगा 4 18s. और ये जो minus 44 है, so 4 1s and 4 1s means 4 11s. Don't forget to put minus. माइनस क्वेश्चन में दिया है, सो कैंसिलेशन करने के बाद जो भी आंसर आएगा उसमें आपको माइनस रखना है बिकॉज इन क्वेश्चन नेगेटिव साइन इज गिवन. So please don't forget to put negative sign, otherwise your final answer will be wrong. So minus 11 upon 18 is your final answer. Okay, so this is just like simple cancellation, reduce form what we have done in the previous video also. You can start with the table of 2 also. You can start with any number whichever you are comfortable. For example, suppose अगर 44 upon 72 है तो आप 2 से भी start कर सकते हो. 2 3s are 6, 1 left, और ये 2. So 1 2 12 means 2 6 are 12 this way. And here 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Now again 22 and 36. Again cancellation is possible with the table of 2. So ये हो जाएगा 2 18s are 36 और ये हो जाएगा 2 1s and 2 1s. So again answer is 11 upon 18. Answer is 11 upon 18. So whichever method you apply, answer is going to be same. So cancellation का जो answer है वो same आएगा. एंड माइनस दिया है आपको क्वेश्चन में, तो यहाँ पे आपको माइनस आंसर में पुटअप करना है. सो -11/18 इज योर फाइनल आंसर. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट कैंसिलेशन विथ 2, यू कैन स्टार्ट कैंसिलेशन विथ 4, you can start cancellation with any number in which it is possible. Okay, so this was question number 7 of exercise 9.1. hope you understood.